So welcome back, guys. The new topic is instantiation of class and means creation of the object and calling the method of the class. So let's create one class my fact, and we'll create one function inside it, int fact, int a. If a is less than equal to 1, return 1, else return a into fact of a minus 1. So this is my one function. Let's create another function called as int greatest. Let it have three arguments: int a, comma int b, comma int c, and we will be returning one of the greatest among these three. So how to do it? If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then a is the answer. Else we'll check b is greater than c, b is the answer, else c is the answer. So I've created two functions. One is computation of factorial and other is greater of three numbers. So I'll keep these two logical functions in my class, and I'll create a separate class test fact, for my main function. So public static void main string s capital, because string is a class, string ar, you can name any array. Now important part, we have to instantiate the class. Which is containing the two methods. So that name is my fact. So my fact is the class name, and we have to create one object. So any name object equal to new my fact. So this step is called as instantiation. Very important to instantiation. So this is the creation of the object. Class name space object equal to new, and then the constructor. So this is instantiation of the class, means object creation. Now next part is obj.fact. So I need one argument here, so I'm specifying 5 and as a value, and by calling my function. So I can store it into a result. For that I'll be taking a variable equal to obj.fact, and now I can print the result by specifying system.out.println the factorial is yes. So here this plus is acting as a concatenation. This is a string constant, and this is our result. So I have concatenated my result with this string, and in the same way I can compute greatest of three numbers. Let's say another variable int res2 equals to obj dot greatest, by I'll pass three values: 45, 34, 12. As you can see, 45 is the greatest, so I'll print this answer as well. Control C, Control C, Control V, and the greatest number is res2. So in this way we are calling two methods of class my fact. So what I have done, I've created a object. So this is how we can create an object. This step is called as instantiation, and this step is called as method calling. So I'm calling the method by the object of the class, or the particular class to which the method belongs, by specifying the real-time arguments. So we already know it, that how to call a function. So here there are three arguments, and so that's why we are specifying three arguments here. So let's see what is the answer. Now how to store this file. So right now I'm having two classes. I can store it with any name, but the preference will be given to the name of the class which is containing main function. So it is better to store as testfact.java, but we can store it as any name. So let's go for any name. Save as. So let's say any name.java. So you can have any name, xyz, abc. So you can put any name here, and let's save it in our directory. Let's do java. So it's saved. So let's go to cmd and compile this file. Java c any name dot java. So I think one statement is missing. Sorry, we are not returning the number here, so return g. We are not returning the uh, greatest number from that function, so it's okay now. So let's see. Java c any name.java, it's successfully compiled. Let's go to the folder. Let's do java. So let's any name. This is a java file, and it has given me two class files today. So myfact.class and testfact.class. So as you can see, you can create any number of classes in a java file. As soon as that file is compiled, it will give you the class files, the number of class files as per the number of classes you have created in your file. So there are two classes, testfact and myfact. So two bytecodes are generated, myfact.class and testfact.class. Now which bytecode to run? This is important. You have to run now. So you have to specify that bytecode which is containing public static void main. This is very important. So now we will specify that java and which bytecode is containing the main function, that is test fact. So test fact. So that is why it is always convenient to use the name of the bytecode which is containing the main function as the file name of the java program. So it is always better to store this file as testfact.java, so that we need not to see the file again, that which class is containing the main function. So let's run it. So factorial is 120, 5 factorial is 120, and greatest number out of these is 45. Thank you so much for watching.